Hello everybody, this is Monday, September 30th, and I have another live trading video for you from the BWT Core Trade Room. And today's video is a 20 lot in the ES and a 50 lot in the NQ. Now if anybody doubts this is real, I want to start off by showing the account statements. And here they are right here. This is a trade performance report for NinjaTrader. And then I want to go back to the performance here. You can see the total net profit. Here's the profit factor. I'm not going to repeat the numbers. But anyway, 94.8% profitable. Remember, this is just the last week of trading from the 23rd to the 30th. And so on. Here's the rest of the stats. You can look at it. If you want to find out more, you can join our Discord channel. Send me an email. It's in the description. You can send me a link to an invite. And if you want to do a trial of the trade room, you can. There's a 3-day free trial, but you must purchase the software to do a trial. All right, let's have a look at the video for this week.
If you got it, that midpoint, where would your stop be? Anybody?
The CB.
No, stop. If you did.
I mean, oh yeah, it's a take profit. Yeah, I would put my, well, me, I would put my stop below that next OL.
Yeah, should be about a little bit below it, right? So you could do 135 or 134, 135 should be a good stop for it. All right, that's what you got to ask. You got to work on that. When you get in a trade, you got to figure out where your stop's going to be ahead of time. You know, obviously it's going to get in and it's going to put whatever number it ticks below it, but you got to quickly move it to that and let it work out, win or lose. That's what I do.
Okay.
So Susie, if I look at my 5-minute, you should have like 2 kiss down candles that almost that should make a double bottom for you, right?
At the hot zone of the expected low.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, I have 2 kiss stones at the hot down.
Yeah.
Hot zone expected.
So that candle off the second one should be, after the second kiss down, should be a green candle, right?
Yeah, mine's red just because of the trending thing.
Yeah,
it's a bit of a green candle. It's a up. Yeah.
Yeah, it's an up candle. Should be, because we went up to the other, so that should have been kind of your early entry long, if you think about it.
Well, that's where I was asking, wouldn't this be a good place to buy off of the low mid? And you said no. And I was like, okay, back to square one.
Yeah, I mean, it's an early entry long, but you got to put your stop accordingly, right?
Yeah.
Early entries can get you you know, a good entry point, but it could also turn around and go against you quickly too. That's why we wait for the second mouse, right?
Right. Yeah, so I got in when it closed above the low mid, but now it's dancing around that area. And I'm going, come on, you biatch up there.
Bastards.
Go up there, that's pretty CB. Don't you see it? It's so pretty. Get up there. Come to the light.
I mean, we tested the lower mid from the bottom. We're testing it from the top now, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I've been in this trade for over an hour now. You believe that, correct?
See, I don't.
This is why I hate the afternoon. Right? The morning's like bada bing, bada bam.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. That's definitely like that better as far as for trading, for sure. There you go. Keep going. Don't be shy.
Come on, girl. But you see what I mean by that early entry, CZ, right?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, it's good that it's doing all that, coming back down and taking out those stops before it goes up. But, you know, if you're in that trade, you're like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You know? Well, been in this trade for an hour and 5 minutes now. How you feeling, CZ?
It's a little rough. It's like it was up there, it was green, and I'm just doing 2 micros on this, you know, $14, but it's all I could do to not hit the break even button. Because I'm like, come on, you're going up to CB, come on.
Whether you like it or not. Come on, get your butt inside the 830 bar.
Go. Oh, don't do that.
Like, some people like trading in the afternoon. I don't get it, you know?
It makes no sense to me, John.
Maybe they just like the quick scalps or something. They just bam, bam.
No, I mean,
So,
you can get a runner on it, but
Yeah.
you're in the trade too long. At least,
Yeah.
For me, I'm used to, you know, see the setup, take it, and sometimes, you know, you only get 1 or 2 candles and you hit your target, you know.
Mhm.
Here you gotta go through 5 million candles before it goes to your target.
Now it's about, we're like a half hour to close. I mean, to New York close, so.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in a bearish trade for ES because I saw a lower high. And then I realized I have not turned on my copy trader, so this is just sim.
Good. Dumb luck.
Dumb luck, absolutely
You
should.
get one of those once in a while. All right, Susie, here we go. Let's go, baby girl. Let's go.
I know, come on. But my finger is hovering over the break even. I can't take this anymore. Oh, come on, get up there. Come on, you could do it. Come on, you could do it.
I like the fact that we're above it and we got a kiss down to the lower midpoint, right? So it gives me, it's building, price is building confidence.
It's gotten up to like, you know, my little 2 micros, like $25 profit.
Mm-hmm.
Twice, and then when it comes down to red again, I'm like, damn it, why didn't I take that 25 bucks? Quit torturing me.
That's what they do. That's what they do.
Order filled.
They do.
Did you get out?
No.
No, that's me still
Jumping
playing
in.
sim account, trying to save it, see if I can save it.
Come on, baby, get up there. Come on.
Somebody's at the door.
Uh-oh. No, don't do that. Get back up there.
Sometimes you just gotta yell at it.
Yeah, sometimes you do.
I like that there's more kiss downs than there are kiss ups, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's still. I had ate my nice big lunch and I came up here and logged back on. Now it's trying to give me indigestion.
Should have a bottle of Tums right beside your keyboard. All right, this should do it. Come on. Come on.
Come on, get up there. Come on. We're all cheering you on.
We're right there at the 8:30 block. What's up, honey? Yeah, 161, Susie. 161 and a quarter. There it goes.
Okay, there we go.
All right, you should get to like break even plus some now, Susie.
I just did, and then I clicked the button, and then it took me out.
Uh-oh.
Woohoo! Now, profit. So that was.
They made you suffer for what, a half an hour?
Yes. And I made 11 points.
Hey, 11 points is good.
Yes. Yes, it is. If I'd have been trading like 1 mini instead of 2 micros,
Yeah, you'll get there. But
that would really made my
I'm
day.
proud
But
of
yeah,
you for not chicking out, you know, because I didn't see any reason to get out.
and I was good. I didn't move my break even until
Yeah.
when you said 160, so whatever you said, I was like, okay, I'm going break even. Let's go. Whew. Okay. I did. I hung in there for a while.
Yeah. That's what it takes. You'll get better at it, you know? I mean, the reason what was the reason of not getting out, Susie? I already gave
Well,
you
because like the things you were saying,
it's not what I was saying.
the kiss downs were.
Yeah, exactly. All you were seeing kiss downs, right?
Yeah, and it was staying above the low mid. It was kissing down, but it was staying above the low mid.
Yep.
It seemed like those new kids down there. It came and checked on them a couple times, but it didn't close below the low mid. So I was like, okay, it's just torturing me. It's like I feel like I know what it's like to be a man with a woman. You know, just torturing. You're gonna get what you want, but just wait. I'm gonna torture you first.
Oh dang. That was a bad that was a bad metaphor.
No, I should not have gone in the gutter there.
All the men in this room were like, ouch, I know what she's talking about.
Your mind should not have gone in the gutter. I just was saying. My grandma told me when I was a little girl, she was like, okay, you see all these women that are all frustrated in their marriages because they're always getting mad at their husbands for not giving them what they want. Just tell them exactly what you want. Well, your birthday on the calendar, your anniversary, and then say, this is exactly what I want. And then you'll get it and you'll be happy.
Right. Yeah, stop playing games.
But yeah, that was what it was like. Okay, I'm going there because all the rules say, every once in a while it head fakes you, but it seemed like it was going to go there. It just was, making me suffer.
Mm-hmm.
But look at it did that. Now it's below my 3-minute is below the low mid.
Okay.
My low mid closed below the mid. Just but I'm saying I feel like I was right to get out where I did, where it spiked up, because it spiked right to the bottom of the 830 on the 3-minute. And that's about where I got out. I mean, I was trailing it, but
yeah, well, I saw 161 as a potential problem. That's why I was like, they call that out.
yeah. Yeah, because it looks like it touched like at 163 and whipped back down. And that's where I was hitting 1250. So when it whipped back down, I literally got out at 160.
Good. See, you're getting the hang of it.
Whew, I don't know.
You have to go through that pain, yeah. You have to go because that's how you're going to learn, right?
Yeah. And that was a good one because, like the 2-to-1 that you talk about, it was definitely a 2-to-1 where my stop loss was, where I was looking at the OL.
Yep.
So, okay, it's a good one. Try to do.
Oh my gosh, people do listen to.
You are the guru. You are the master. I am listening. And it's silly. It was only $44. We're like, woo, what a rush. I did so good. I stayed in it.
Doesn't matter. That's why I always say, don't worry about how much you made. Did your plan work? And what kept you calm in the trade, right?
Yeah.
Because once you master that, the money will just keep coming in,
Yeah. And because that right there was my first trade with real, not Apex, not.
Oh, your cash account?
Not Sim. That was my actual cash account. That was the first one that I've done doing this, the core in this trading room, that using my cash account.
Oh, wow.
So.
Glad you didn't tell me. I would have been nervous. All right.
But yes.
Good job. See how much you've improved since joining and hanging around with us? I told you would learn this through osmosis.
Since the first days when I was like, I don't know what the hell you guys talking about.
Come on, go to my target, 57.91.75. I might give it I'm out on the ES. All right, let's move my.
I'm out too. I just took a big loss in Sim. Thank you, God, for not turning on the copy trader.
Bumping into the CB.
Come on, girl.
You were on Sim, JD.
I know, but for ES, I have NQ, I trade cash, but on ES, just because today was the first day, I was just playing with it. But it was super nice to learn that if I'm trading with John, let's just not go against his wishes.
Don't what? What did you say? When you trade with me, don't listen to me? Is that what you said?
No, I'm saying if I'm trading with you, don't go against what you're saying. You just don't use my one brain, just follow you.
All right, so I made 12,000 on the ES. I'm up 20,000 on the NQ now.
Woohoo! I was right behind you with my $44. Oh my gosh. That's a good Monday. It's a good Monday, John.
Well, this morning I made like 6,000 and I called it quits.
Oh my gosh.
I said that was good enough for my coffee money.
See, afternoons are good for you, John.
No, because I went through the same thing as Susie went through, right? Granted, I was a little bit more calmer, but who needs that, right?
Yeah, you don't need it.
Right.
So I'm just going to summarize. You basically looked at NQ and said it has held 63, then it held the expected low, and it tried to go low mid, and it held that a couple times. So despite of what like pivots are saying,
Yep.
it's still going to go north. Like that was kind of the thesis, right?
Yep. I mean, the price was telling you it wants to go long. That's what I saw, at least. I mean, at one time I was down like eight grand. So what? It didn't go to my stop loss. Come on, girl. I hate being. I've been in this trade for an hour and 20 minutes now on the NQ. Ridiculous.
Did you pair out some at the CB?
Hell no.
Oh.
I'm taking this baby to the moon if you're going to make me suffer like that.
You're not even taking POC?
Nope.
Yeah. Wow.
No, I will. I will. Okay. I will. Maybe
Yes.
I'll just take it out at the 930 bar. That'll be, 50% of that sell is around the top of the 930 bar. I mean, I locked in my profit already, so I don't really care what it does after this.
But would you, if you were in a good trade and you're at 4 o'clock, would you stay in it? I mean,
No,
market close?
because it'll bump up a little bit, but then it'll come right back down, so it comes out to be the same.
Okay. Yeah, so might as well just go ahead and close when the New York closes.
Yep, exactly.